how you going? I'm Liam Connell, and today I'm going to be presenting to you my assignment for EDN113. So the basis of my assignment is it's a Year 9 Health and Phys Ed class, and we're going to have a bit of a look at what I'm asking my students to do in my set of lessons. So I want my students, by the end of it, the learning outcomes, I want them to demonstrate a high level of understanding of factors that may affect an individual's ability to resist using illicit substances, like drugs and alcohol, and performance enhancers as well. A basic breakdown of what they're going to do. So they're going to be creating fact sheets. These fact sheets, they're going to contain at least one figure or graph. So it could be, bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, anything really, as long as it portrays a stat or something that they couldn't get from just regular information. I want all the fact sheets to be really clear and visible, so that makes it a lot easier for teachers to mark, as you'll see in the marking key a bit later on. And also they're going to be doing an oral presentation with that. So in the groups of three different fact sheets, and then they can present it to the class. The majority of the marks is distributed into the fact sheets though, and the oral presentations are almost a third of the marks. So it doesn't take up too much for the students that may be a little bit nervous about presenting. So into the nitty-gritty of it, I want students to really make use of the programs that we're using. So we are using a program called Infogram. Infogram is fantastic for putting together these little fact sheets. They have a wonderful assortment of tables that we can use, and it makes it really, really good. So students always have that variety. In terms of the lesson breakdown, so we're going to have that first lesson for briefing the students on what they're going to do. Teachers are going to put them into groups of 3. It's quite helpful, and so when they're in groups of 3, you're going to break down what tasks the students need to be completing, and you're kind of going to get a bit of a grip on what ICT they're going to be using. By lessons 2 and 3, they're going to be getting information, putting it all together, and lessons 4, they should have it all in one PowerPoint and then ready to present to the class. If they're not ready, then they'll be receiving lower marks. Other than that, all information is in my Google document, and if you have any questions, don't be afraid to email me. Thank you very much.